PastureBox is a self-contained, fully automated system that can produce up to 2,000 pounds of premium livestock feed daily. The 6-day process begins at the controller, which allows a user to determine the seed depth, frequency, and duration of irrigation, as well as the temperature inside the box. These variables can be adjusted to achieve the optimal growing conditions. Once the variables have been properly adjusted, the included 600-pound capacity hopper automatically drops the desired amount of seed into the trays, evenly spread for a tight root mat. This system can be paired with a silo box system to increase the capacity from 600 pounds to 30,000 pounds, which can provide automated hopper filling for up to 3 months. Once seated, the single motor and continuous drive chain engages, sending each of the trays on its journey along the 8-layer serpentine path. The irrigation system engages on a customizable time frame and duration. It provides even coverage on every layer of the system, and once finished with its cycle, the excess water drains from each of the trays back to the main holding tank, where it is filtered and treated with an ozone system before being recycled in the next irrigation period. The temperature of the system is maintained by an HVAC unit and spray foam insulation that keeps the temperatures in ideal range, no matter the season. Studies have shown that UV light stimulates early growth and provides a healthy green color to sprouted seed. The PastureBox system utilizes strips of LED UV lighting to supercharge the growth process. Once the feed is ready to harvest, the PastureBox automatically deploys its hatch and engages its offloading conveyor. The single motor then moves each tray to the end of the machine, where it is unloaded, washed, and ultimately reseated to begin the process again. The PastureBox is a premium feed producer that easily maintains consistent, high-quality, live feed, day in and day out. Harvest up to 2,000 pounds of prime feed per day and either feed your livestock on an as-fed basis or mixed with your ration of choice. Please email us for more information at info@renaissanceag.com.